news updates on Ugwuanyi 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ugwuanyi FM breaks the news with actualities.
And the link that people are hoping for a new Nigeria.
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM.
Good morning and welcome to Ugwuanyi 103 News Update. Today, Monday, the 23rd day of January 2023, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Eha-Amufu is my name. The headlines. Anambra government committed to producing 1,000 youth millionaires yearly. Commissioner. Political earthquake hits Delta as PDP's premier group, DUG, declares support for APC. Fulani herdsmen invade Mbunando, Aguleri in Anambra, terrorizing villagers with AK-47 rifles. Imo West senatorial candidate Jones seeks judicial review to restore candidacy. INEC